Hi guys, welcome to one more very interesting tech talk show. Today we have Kaushik and Sai Nehal with us. So let's ask them about their coding journey. So guys, welcome and how are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine.
Fine, sir.
Very good. So Kaushik, say something about you, your background and what you are doing presently.
My name is Kaushik, sir. I am from IIIT Raichur CSC, sir.
Okay.
At present, I am working on websites of the IIIT Raichur also, sir.
Means the IIIT Raichur college website you are working on that?
Yes, sir. IIIT Raichur college website, sir.
Means in the
The
first
home
year
page.
itself you got the opportunity.
Yes, sir.
Heartily congratulations, Kaushik,
Thank you, sir.
for grabbing this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Why? Because it is really a great opportunity. Why? Because in the first year of your engineering itself, you got this opportunity. Share still if you have any such achievements. Kaushik.
Means, still now I have not completed anything, sir. Means I am just starting, sir.
Okay.
That in future it will be best.
Okay. And I think you said you got best performer.
Yes, sir. In websites only, sir.
In websites only you got the
Yes,
best
sir.
performer award.
It's for designing and those.
Very good. Once again, congratulations on that journey. Kaushik, when we say Code Junior, and every time when I represent Code Junior, I keep on saying that coding classes for grade 4 onwards.
Yes, sir.
So really what I want to know is, like when I said the coding classes for grade 4 onwards, what is your reaction and what made you to enroll for this program?
Means, sir, means before I have used HTML, sir, for websites, but I want means for I have a category as content, sir.
Okay.
In that we should use the forms, no, sir.
Right.
That using of forms, we are using the outside forms, sir. Means ready-made forms specialties. There is a limit for that, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So I want to overcome that limit. So we need the JavaScript and those extra databases we need, sir.
Right.
So I have enrolled this.
Fine. So, Sai Nihal, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Say something about you. What's your background?
My name is Saini Hal, sir. I am studying in 8th class Bhashyam Looms in Guntur.
Very good. So, being in 8th class, what made you to enroll for these coding programs?
Sir, if we learn coding, our interest will be doubled, sir. We'll get interest.
Okay, your interest will be doubled.
It will be like enjoyment.
So you're not feeling the pain of learning something? Like, is it not a burden
Yes, sir,
for
not
you?
feeling. Yes, sir.
There is no burden. So tell me, guys, who will tell why coding is important? Is it really worth learning coding? Who is going to answer this question? You'll answer? Sainia?
Yes, sir.
Then please answer that question.
Sir, we mainly we can do interaction with computers, sir, by coding.
Okay.
We can improve our concentration, sir. Means if we do any mistake, we have to find for that. We have to need patience.
Very good. So have you really realized that when you start learning coding, your concentration will be improved, and you said that one more point. Patience. You said what's that? Patience. Yeah. So have you seen the difference your yes, concentration sir. And patience before yes, joining coding and after joining coding?
Yes, sir, so much.
Very good. So Kaushik, what do you say on this point? What's your opinion on this?
Means by learning the coding, we can make the world easy, sir. Means we can take the opportunities and we can convert the surroundings as we wish, sir.
Okay.
And we can have the logical thinking, sir, more.
Okay. And is it really important to learn coding for everyone?
Means for everyone means those who are interested to make developments or achievements means like making a new softwares or apps, those needs but remaining it's not necessary, sir.
Means
For those who want to make a software, they need.
okay, like can we say like those who are looking for career opportunities in information technology side?
Yes, sir, we can.
Is it clear? Like we can say
Yes,
that
sir.
those who wants to build their career on technology,
Yes, sir.
especially in IT actually. I
Yes,
think
sir.
for them coding is very, very important. So guys, like you are with me, you guys are with me since many months, and for what age it will be best suitable? Like from what age they can start actually? Like we have students from grade 5 onwards. I think you might be knowing. Pranay Jain, he's from Kadapa and I think he's performing very well,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? What is your opinion actually? I mean, as a student, what do you feel actually? From which age we can start?
Means for normal C language, means sir, as I saw the C language coding, sir,
Yeah.
it is from 6th or 5th, it is better, sir.
Okay.
By seeing this code junior, sir, it is 4 is enough, sir, from that. Because
From-
there are so many, from so basics, sir, this is.
Okay. So Code Junior
So
is
it
best
is-
suitable for grade 4 onwards.
Yes, sir, for code junior.
Okay.
But for learning separately like C means we should need a separate, means some basics we need now, sir, for learning separate languages like C language or JavaScript from outside other than.
Means after doing after learning through Code Junior, I think then they can easily go with C, C++, Java, other
Yes, sir,
languages.
you can, sir.
Like it will be more easy for them, in fact.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. The basics will be understood clearly, sir.
Yeah. Kaushik, can you tell me what is the specialty or what is the beauty of Code Junior platform and how it is really helpful for our young generation?
Means for programming there is as the computer don't know anything, that it will do only one we said, sir.
Okay.
So means in Code Juniors there is a exact formation of coding, sir, like spaces or everything, sir.
Okay.
So we can have a grip on it very clearly, sir, for coding. So we will not get the errors, sir.
I think that is one of the best thing about the platform, where
Yes, sir.
the accuracy will be maintained, and I think you will be so perfect in like even a small space. I think it won't validate it, isn't it? Like when we are working.
Yes, sir.
And,
And validation is completed, sir.
Okay.
Means for equality there is space, sir. It given all the inputs, sir, in if else statements, sir.
Everywhere the space is mandatory.
Yes, sir. Means in which the number is positive, negative, zero option is there, sir, one program.
Okay.
In that I have not given spaces, sir. It given I have entered 5, sir. It given 5 is positive, 5 is 0, 5 is negative, sir.
Okay.
All
okay.
3 options it is given.
Okay. So you have corrected that letter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Very good. So is it really, can we learn by ourselves? Is it a self-learning or a little bit support is also required?
No, self-learning is enough, sir.
Enough. Sai Nihal, you say about this platform, like what is your observations about this platform?
Sir, here there are so many default options. By that we can understand the code clearly.
Okay.
If we do a mistake, if we check before once, we can understand, sir. As it is wrong, it is correct. We can only understand.
Fine, we can do one thing. Can you, I'll give permission to share the screen. So Sai Nihal, can you show some activity on your Code Junior account, like how people can work with that?
Yes, sir.
So first you show, then we'll give chance to Kaushik and he'll show like what kind of, like he said about this positive, negative, neutral. He'll do on that actually. And whatever you want to show to our audience, you just share your experience by sharing the screen.
Yes, sir.
Before that, like Sai Nihal, can you give me the complete tour? Can you explain like the complete interface of this Code Junior? Like understood what I'm saying?
No, sir. Not clarity.
No, what I'm asking is, can you explain clearly that what this window is meant for, how we should work, like basic introduction about this interface?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here these all are first tasks, sir. We should
Task.
see the video and we should do code. Then we can understand
So
practical.
miss, can I say they are the course, means they are the different chapters?
Yes, sir. We can see.
We can say chapters. And each chapter you have a video lesson followed
Yes,
by
sir.
a code. Video lesson and followed by a code, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So you show me some task. Let's our people
Yes,
will
sir.
understand.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is a robot, sir. It
Okay.
should go. It should go here, sir. It will be here.
Okay. Fine.
Sir, we have three options, sir. Robot dot forward, robot dot right, robot dot left.
Okay.
By using that, we have to.
Means by using these three functions, we have to see that this robot reaches to the goal, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. I think this is the complex task you have picked.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In brackets, you have given 2. Can you explain like what do you mean by the 2?
Yes, sir. Normally, by default, robot dot forward moves only one step.
It moves only one step forward, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
By writing any number more than 2 or more than 1, it will move those many steps.
Okay. So if I want to move this robot for 5 times, then I can say simply 5, and then it will move to 5 times, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Approximately how many lines of code we have to write?
15 lines, sir.
Oh my God, 15 lines. Now you frankly tell me, you are looking at somewhere or you are thinking and then writing?
Thinking, sir.
You are thinking and writing. You are not copying
Yes.
from anywhere.
No, sir.
Very good. Very good. And if we get mistake, then how to solve it? Is it possible to solve the mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the yellow color background is the starting position of the robot, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you run it.
Here, I gone for me wrong, sir.
Okay, fine, no problem. You just try to correct it. We'll see how we can correct. And if you write this code without doing any mistake, our audience will think that you are seeing somewhere and you are writing. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you got mistake. So it shows that you are really thinking and writing. Okay, let's see how we can correct it.
Uh,
I think it is better to write these steps in one piece of paper, then you check it, and after that we can write it, isn't it? Like
Yes,
after
sir.
that we can code it. Guys, is there anything like Kaushik, I'm asking you, is there anything like we have to solve this in minimum number of runs, like minimum number of tests? Is there anything?
No, sir.
Okay, till we get the correct answer, we can keep on
We can
trying
run,
this.
sir.
Okay. There is nothing like number of cycles.
No, sir, there is nothing, sir.
Okay. Now really Sai Nihal is struggling to solve the problem. Okay. He's really solving to solve the problem. And let's see how he is doing. Be cool, don't hurry.
Yes,
And
sir.
take your own time, because you only said that patience, that is very, very important if you want to be a coder. If
Yes,
you want
sir.
to be coding, you need to have patience level. Otherwise, what
Yes.
happens, after trying for 2-3 times, people will give up.
Yes, sir.
But I really see that you have a lot of patience and you are trying to do it anyhow.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Congratulations. And Sai Nihal, it really shows that coding requires a lot of concentration and a lot of even patience also. Can I add something more than this? Like if you want to be really, can I add something more than this? Like if you want to really be good at coding, you need to do some preparation before that. You need to do some preparation. Means if you take a notebook, notebook, pen and paper, and if you write something, and for each and every function, if you can draw some diagram that it moves like this, it moves like this, what we call actually flow charts. Do you
Yes,
remember,
sir.
guys?
Flowcharts. Yes, sir.
So if you do that flow charting with this code, and after that, if you start writing the code on the screen, I think without getting mistake, you would have done. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So now we can stop sharing the screen and let's ask Kaushik to show something what he has experienced while working with this Code Junior. Yes, Kaushik, you can share your screen and you can show your experience on Code Junior.
Sir, this is the program, sir, which I experienced the spaces, sir.
Okay, okay.
Right.
You
Sir?
can you reset it, like can you
Yes, sir.
fine. Okay. Then you'll write everything from the scratch, isn't it?
So resetting means it is basic only, sir. So I will remove everything.
Okay, so you'll write everything from the scratch.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the task actually? Replace the question mark with a condition to check if the value of my number is greater than 0.
Means it will check the positive number, negative number, or 0, sir. That is
Okay.
the condition, sir.
Fine.
As I removed everything, it will be some.
Okay, you are writing everything from the beginning.
Yes, sir.
So guys, like where is the keyword to declare a variable in JavaScript? Okay, and prompt is the function to display prompt message. Like in C language, what is the function, guys? To
Sir?
display prompt message in C language, what is the function? name?
Printf, sir.
Very good. So like in C language, how we have printf, in the same way in JavaScript, the function is prompt. Yes, can I say that there are no data types in JavaScript?
No, sir. There will
No.
be, sir, like strings.
No, like internally the data type of the variable will be decided after assigning the value.
Yes,
Data
sir,
types
it
are
will
there
be.
actually, but at the time of declaring the variable, data type is not required. Have you
Yes,
noticed
sir.
that point?
Yes, sir, we have noticed. By means without saying anything means it will take as a string, sir.
String, right?
I will do without spaces, sir, first.
Okay. So actually the coding, the logic is right only.
Yes, sir.
So it's like console.log is like a printf and prompt is like scanf and it will read the input, isn't it?
Sir.
And I think Kaushik, once you have written, you can copy paste these lines again, isn't it? Is it possible?
Yes, sir, we can.
Okay. Guys, we need to have a live internet connection to practice this, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the program to check whether the number is positive,
Positive,
negative,
negative
or
or zero,
neutral.
sir.
Very good. Neutral. Fine.
I will run, sir. It will ask, sir. I will enter 5, sir.
Okay. It's saying 5 is a positive number, isn't it?
Okay. It is means their given code is wrong, sir. I have made separate.
Okay.
Means as I deleted everything, the code is different.
Fine.
Yes, sir. See, sir, it is giving 5 is positive number, 5 is positive
Negative
number, 5
and
is negative number, 5 is positive number, 5
all
is negative
three
number.
answers
Five
is
is-
giving.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now I will take the spaces, sir.
Okay. So that giving space is very, very important.
Yes, sir. 5 is positive, so that's all.
So what is this animation? What is the link with the animation of the code you have written? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. Means as these are if conditions, sir. This is
Okay.
first if condition, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Huh,
This is second if condition, and this is third if condition, sir. This is the boxes, the numbers which I have given input.
Very good. Okay.
It will check
Now-
the conditions and it will change the path as it is.
Okay. Like if you
Yes.
give minus number, then how it works? Can you show me?
Yes, sir. We will give minus 5, sir.
Okay.
Then first one will be red, second one green, sir. Third one will be red.
Okay. 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 Okay.
As second if condition is satisfying, that will be taking place, sir.
Very
The
good.
first two will be
Means whatever the if condition is satisfied, that
that
particular
will be as a red, green,
that
sir.
will be in green and rest will be in fine. Let's give 0 and let's test actually. Okay, okay. That object is passing through this pipeline, and
Yes, sir.
if the condition is satisfied,
It
I
is
think
going
it is
through
turning
this
into group.
yellow box, sir.
Okay, I think it will turn it to green and it will go to end actually.
Yes, sir.
Very beautiful. Like, can you run it once and let's give 5, like positive number 100, any number, any positive number. Okay. Okay. Fine. So first it will checking the if condition, it is turning into green and then it is going to other pipes also, isn't it?
Yes, sir. It is means another condition place, sir. As it satisfies, it crosses that, sir.
Okay.
Otherwise,
if-
it will not.
If we give else part, what will happen actually?
Means else there is no connection, sir. That will be separate pipes, no, sir.
Right.
Means this if part means it should check this part and this part will be checked and this part also will be checked. Sir.
Okay. We want to
While
check all the
adding
three
else
parts.
means if this condition is satisfied, the remaining parts has not.
Will
been
not
checked.
check actually. So can we give else part and can we check it? Let's give else part and let's check how it works.
The diagram will be also changed. Sir.
Okay.
It's all.
Okay. But it will give you correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you give negative.
Yes, sir. Negative givens.
Negative given, na? Like give 0 now once. Okay. So we are getting the correct answer. Like if we, what is this validate? Will it be validated?
Yes, sir. It is validating without spaces also, sir. But the
Okay.
error is getting. Sir.
Okay. Now if you validate, what happens? You just check. Okay.
Means we have changed the conditions, no, sir.
Right. So for validation, the else part should not be there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That should be all three ifs. Okay, you can remove else
Yes,
part and let's
the
see.
task has been given as they wish, sir.
Okay, they have given already the code and we need to just replace the missing parts. That's it.
Yes, sir. These missing parts.
Missing parts, we have to replace it. It's great. So guys, like when you like see, when you visualize the code actually, is it
The original code is like this, sir.
okay? This is the original code, right?
Yes, sir. We should replace these question marks.
Okay. You need not to write the whole program like how we have written.
No, sir. We don't need.
Okay, we need to simply replace the question mark. Means whatever the code is happening here on the right hand side window, we can visualize it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Like, is there any advantage, like if we can visualize its functionality, what is the advantage of it?
And sir, we can find the errors, sir, easily.
Okay.
Means we are getting as error in second if condition, sir.
Okay.
We will check the visualization, sir. We will see this is going like this and this is not going in this right path. So this is the error, we can find it.
Right. Means if you are a beginner, I think this is the best platform to start your coding career, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So guys, those who are watching this video, and if you have really watched this video up to this end, to this point, then it really shows that you are very much interested in this kind of program. So that's why in the beginning I didn't said anything about this program. We have simply discussed, but if you're watching this video at this point, then it shows that you are really interested to learn something like this. And if you are interested to learn something like this, then I'll give a link below this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then in the description box, I'll give a link. You just click on that link and join my WhatsApp group. And every week, I'll be conducting a free webinar on this particular coding practices. So you can attend that free webinar. And if you are really interested to enroll in this program, then you can take a decision and you can enroll in this program. So guys, thank you so much, Sai Nehal and Kaushik. And you guys really have done a wonderful job and wish you all the best for your career.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye
Bye.
and take care, guys.
Thank you.